Thank you for stopping by the Golden Saas Awards. Now, what are the Golden Saas Awards? My name is Jenny Jones, and I am the founder of the Digital Growth Hacks Club. And you know what we do here? We try to find you the best tools to help you grow your bottom line in your business. The Golden Saas Awards are awards that we created and came up with. We wanted to try to find out what are the best tools, what are serving the most value in the LTD community, and that's giving owners insight and hopefulness that they will be able to earn more in their business, and until the actual founders of their LTD, they would be able to earn more money as well as a result of putting out a good tool. So what we've done is we've compiled some of the best tools based off of some quick surveys that we've done in the LTD communities to try to determine and see who has the best tool in those respective categories. We've limited to, we could not have them all here, but if we do have some questions that allow you to input some tools. So again, I'd like to thank you for just stopping by and have an opportunity. It's only about 10 questions. Please feel free to fill those out. And again, it's not a popularity contest. It's just really being able to share who had the best tool in a certain category for the 2021 year. I'd like to thank you again on behalf of the Digital Growth Hacks Club. Thank you. Goodbye for now.